student. I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same chapter Time and Work, but we will be discussing chain rule problem in today's session, type 4 problem. So the first example we have a Ford had provision, that means they have that much storage of food with them to provide to 150 men for 45 days. मतलब उनके पास में इतना grain है अभी which can be lasted for 45 days if 150 people are there. अगर number of people will increase, so in that case of course the food will get over before the time, before 45 days. अगर कुछ लोग छोड़कर चले जाते हैं, like here in the case after 10 days, उन्होंने 10 days तक consume किया food and then suddenly 25 men left the group. वो दूसरे ग्रुप में चले गए या वहां से चले गए, whatever is the reason. And then the remaining food will last for how many days, can be used for how many days, or can be consumed for how many days, that we have to find out. Okay, so Ford had provision. Actual में उनका जो number of men है and that can be used for 45 days. This was the entire storage with them for the food. After 10 days, how much they have used? This is the total amount. So they have used 150 people have used it for 10 days. अब 45 days में से 10 days तक तो उन्होंने use कर लिया. Remaining we have to find out. So remaining we will be getting by taking the difference of it. 150 multiplied by 45 minus 150 multiplied by 10. So in short 150 will come out, multiplied by 45 minus 10 will go into the bracket. So this gives me 150 multiplied with 35. So rather than doing it into longer way, we can see here itself कि पहले भी 150 लोग थे total. अभी 10 days तक 150 लोगों ने कंज्यूम किया है. सो बचे हुए दिन कितने हैं? 45 days में से 10 days तो हो गए. So remaining days are 35 and 150 people were there before. So 150 multiplied by 35 was the case. Now after 10 days 25 men have left the group. So left the fort. So remaining people, men, how many are there? Remaining people, 150 minus 25 is going to give me 125. How many are remain? 125 are remain. Number of days for which the remaining food will be consumed will last. So what we have to do? Remaining case is 150 multiplied by 35. This is the remaining food with them for 150 people for 35 days. But now number of male have reduced by 25. So 125 people are there, and for how many days they can consume the food, that we have to find out. So 150 multiplied by 35 divided by 125 is equals to number of days which they will be taking. 25 5s are 25 6s are 5 1s are 5 7s are. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42 days they will be taking. They can consume the food for 42 days. I hope it's easy to understand. You don't have to do it into longer way. You just have to see 150 people were there. So 150 multiplied by 35 will be the case because 45 में से 10 days हो चुके. So बचा हुआ केस हमको डिस्कस करना है. So this is the shortcut way. Okay. Now let's see the next example. 3,600 men had provision for 59 days. 3,600 men were there. They can use the food for 59 days. They started consuming it. But after 10 days, reinforcement arrives. Suddenly, कुछ और लोग उनके ग्रुप में join कर गए. Okay, arrives, that means few more have added to the group. As a result, the remaining food lasted for 36 days. So 3,600 लोग तो पहले से थे उनके पास में. 10 days तक उन्होंने food use किया. So बचे हुए कितने दिन है उनके पास में? Multiplied by 10. Like this. So remaining part is 3,600 multiplied by 49 because 59 minus 10 will be 49. Now what we will be doing? 3,600 multiplied by 49. Actually में case इतना ही है कि इतने दिन तक food चलेगा इतने लोगों के लिए. But the thing is now people have increased. So 3,600 से ज्यादा लोग हो गए हैं. कितने ज्यादा हुए? That we don't know. Few people have arrived, but how many have arrived? That is missing in the question. That only needs to be found. Okay. As a result, the remaining food lasted for 36 days only. So 49 days चलना चाहिए था पर वो 36 days में ही finish हो गया. Let's simplify this. 36 ones are 36 and this gives me 100 here. 3,600 will get cancelled out. So 49 multiplied by 300 gives me 4900 is equals to 3600 plus x. This 3600 will be transferred to the other side. When we take the difference, this gives me 1300, which is the value of x. Now, what was the strength of the reinforcement? So, how many extra people have joined after 10 days? So 1300 people, 1300 लोग और आ गए. दैट इज वाई द फूड लास्टेड फॉर 36 डेज ओनली, नॉट फॉर 49 डेज. ऐसे तो 49 डेज तक चल जाना चाहिए था, बट वो सिर्फ 36 डेज में ही फिनिश हो गया बिकॉज एक्स्ट्रा पीपल हैव कम. अब जल्दी से इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स को कमेंट में कीजिए.